This video you easily learn how to download YouTube music video. Let's start the video. Please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for more incoming videos, and like the videos and comment what you have question, if any question you have. Hello friend, in this video I will show you how to download YouTube music video. For example, if you open your YouTube and you search here music, okay, then many of music comes to you, but you have to watch it online if you have internet connection. So if you want to watch these songs without internet connection, how can you do that? So for example, if I click on this video, then there are many options to you that you can download these video. So I don't tell you to download this. Okay, if you click on this download button, this downloading will ask from you download this video, try it for free. But I don't want to download this from the YouTube, I want it to go into my storage. So how can you do that? So just click on the share button and copy the link of any video. When you copy, there is a download option coming to you, just download it. How can you do it? So first of all, install Telegram app from the Play Store. When you install Telegram app from the Play Store, search here Mr. MRWIP, okay, Mr. Whip, and then click on this Mr. Whip. When you click on this Mr. Whip, I sharing with you an app that is best app. You could use that app, okay. So now I am going to use that app, tell you. So that is present in my browser, apps rednet. I go back, this is the Redmate application, okay. But I file, external storage, file, search here Redmate, and this is the Redmate. I add a caption, hash Redmate, another hash downloader. Another option is song download, song download okay. Where do you download? Now I share this, okay. So when you come to this channel Mr. Whip, click on this button and click on the search, and search here Redmate or downloader, and click on the search, okay. When you click on the search, there is no result present, but why? Redmate. Then you come to this and just click here to download this, okay. When you download this app, so this app is just like seeing this. So open the Redmate application. When you open the Redmate application, just paste the link here, just click here and paste the link which you have copied. When you click the link, you just click on the go button. After go button, you come here to that video which you have selected and click on the download button. When you click on the download button, this line will completed. After completing this line, you can easily download the music. This is just one method. Now you see that this line is going to completion, and after that when this line complete, you will easily download that video. When you click on the download button, this option will come to you. Just select the music. If you want to download the music, open you here, see the music, just click on any one in these three options. If you want to download the video, just click below. So we want to download the music, just click here and click on the download button. If you click on the download button, the task will be added and this will download in just a second of a minute. Okay, just a second of time. So this is the easy way. So how can you, and now another way, by webmet, you open your YouTube. When you open the YouTube, just click here. When you click here, just click on the share button. When you click on the share button, copy link. After copy, this option will come to you. Just click on this option, and when you click on this option, this redirect to the YouTube page to download that video easily. The same step which I have tell to you. Okay, now you will see how is it doing, how is it growing. Now this option will complete, and again the same process is complete. Thanks for watching.